Hello my dear student, welcome to Nagesh Karasge Orchid School channel. Myself Hina Patel going to deal you with 7th standard mathematics. Already in the previous class we had started with simple equations. How to balance the equations when by adding a same number on the both side, subtracting the same number on the both side. We had done with a multiplication. We have to multiply the same number on the both the side. And today we will do the division, how to balance an equation by division. So one by one we will see in the detail and we will see some examples, so it will be more easy to understand you when equation is given how to find a value of a variable by a division. So we are having some equation here, that is a 5 m upon 2 is equal to 5. M upon 2 is equal to 5, this which is in the form of a division. So m upon 2 means nothing but m is divided by 2 is equal to 5. Here what we have to do? We have to balance the LHS as well as RHS. So in addition, subtraction and multiplication I had given small trick to you. Here also we will see some trick how to balance the equation when it is given in the form of an m upon 2 is equal to 5. So we will see one by one. Here we had seen this is equation for the multiplication and we have to find out in the second case this multiply both the side by 2. Why we are multiplying? Because we want to find out the value of a variable, that is m. So multiplying the 2, if you multiply here 2 in the left hand side and multiply 2 in the right hand side, so we will have as a variable m as separate. So we can find out the value of m. So by multiplying to LHS, that is again I will show here, m upon 2 multiplied by 2, we are multiplying 2 because we want m very separately. That is variable should be written separately. So we can reduce 2 and 2, so we will get as m. So by reducing this we will get m to the LHS, and the new equation on the RHS, what will be that? We are having as the 5, so 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So what will be this? M is equal to how much? M is equal to 10. So hence m is equal to 10, it is required solution. You can check whether this solving is correct or not. When you will put the value of m here in a given equation, what is our equation? Again I will show you. If you put a value of m as an 10, here we will write 10 upon 2, reduced it is simplify it as 2 ones are and 2 fives are, so 5 equal to 5. This is the solution what we get. What is m is equal to 10. So this was a value required to satisfy the equation, or we can say to balance the equation, or we can say it is unbalanced equation when we write as m is equal to 10. So we will see some more example here, so it will be more easy for you how to substitute. Solve that 3n plus 7 is equal to 25. Here we are having a multiplication, that is nothing but 3n. We have to separate the variable. So what we have to do here? Just think what we can do in this equation. 3n plus 7 is equal to 25. So here if we can't do directly here finding n because it is a multiplication, so we can try with plus 7. What we can do? We can find out the value of 3 and after the finding the value of 3 and then we have to find out the value of n. So here we are having plus 7. What should be done? We have to subtract 7 on both the side, that is this LHS and RHS. So while subtracting on the both the side, you will get the value of n. So just I will show you how we have to write the steps here. So this equation we are having as a 3n plus 7. So we have to subtract. I will write here as 3n plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 25 minus 7. We have to write in bracket subtract 7 on both the side. Now this is LHS, this is RHS. Now you know subtraction. Here you can say directly when you write this step, you the plus 7 and minus 7 get cancelled. So you get as 3n is equal to, you know what is 25 minus 7 is an 18. Now we have to separate this variable, that is n. N is equal to, already I had told it is when it is a multiplication. When to find out the value of a variable, just we have to divide it. Here what we will do is equal to 18. Here is multiplication, so we have to divide. So n is equal to 18 upon 3. So if it is possible to reduce, we can reduce. 6 3s are 18. So we will write 3 1s are 3 6s are. So you got the value of n, where everywhere we were getting the variable n, value, finding the value of a variable n. Here also we had found out the value of variable n, and then we have to check if what we got variable is correct or not. Just we will check it, so you will understand that what we had got, the value of n is equal to 7. We have to substitute this n here in this equation. What is our equation? 3n plus 7 is equal to 25. Here 3 multiplied by 6, because already you know, if there is a variable and a number, there is a multiplication sign. So this is set of plus 7 is equal to 25. 6 3s are 18 plus 7 is equal to 25. So 25, what is the total of 18 plus 7 is 25 is equal to 25. So it is an balance. So we can say therefore LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. In this way we have to balance the equation. Just we had checked the value of, by substituting the value of variable in a given equation, and we have find out that what the value we had got is correct or not. So this is nothing but a small trick. You can cross verify the answer what you have got is correct or not. In this way, another example is there. 2p minus 1 is equal to 23. Here what is 2p minus 1? Here it is multiplication. If you add 1 on the both the side, if you add 1 on the both the side, we will get an equation that adding 1 on the both the side, we will get 2p minus 1 plus 1 means this both will get cancelled, and you will find out the answer. This will get cancelled. So here is 2p is equal to 24, and you can find out the value of p. I had told you when it is multiplied, if you divide this by 2, if you divide this by 2, then 2 get cancelled. What will be here? Here also if it possible reduce, 2 1s are 2 12s are. So we can say P is equal to 12. P is equal to 12. If we are getting P is equal to 12, and if you want to check the answer, you have to write in a given equation. You have to write in a given equation that P is equal to 12. Substitute the value of P here in the given equation was 2P plus 1 is equal to 23, and you can check your answer. So what you got, the value of OP is correct or not. In this way, step by step, when it is given as an subtraction, add the same number. When it is given a multiplication, divide by the same number. So you will have a separate variable, so you can find the value of an variable very easily. So this was the example, and we can say that an LHS is equal to RHS. So in this way we can balance that. Here you can see that 23 it is, both the sides are equal, so it is known as balanced equation. We will see some more example here. The solution for the checking form is correctness or not. Why do we not check the solution? Yes, we had already showed you how to do the checking of a correction when we are getting an value. So here what we will do, I will show with a direct. Here we had gone for this step by. Here 4x plus 5 is equal to 65 is our equation. So what we have to do? We have to minus, or we have to subtract 5 on the both the side. When you subtract 5 on the both the sides, so 5 get cancelled. What will be remain? 4x is equal to 60. Yes, 4x is equal to 60. Now here it is multiplication, so you have to divide 4 on both the side. So we will divide 4 on the both the side, means what will be here? 4x upon 4 is equal to 60 divided by 4. Here why we are dividing by 4? Again I will recall, because we want an only a variable, whatever the variable it may be, a x, a, p, m, l, t, anyone. So here the same number, so it will get reduced, or we can say it's cancelled. So here 4 get cancelled. You will get x is equal to, what is 15 4s are 60. So it will be x is equal to 15. Yes, x is equal to 15, which is the solution for the given equation. So if you know the value of x, you can substitute in a given equation and you can check. Now we will consider one more example, that is 10y minus 20 is equal to 50. 10y minus 20 is equal to 50. What we will do? Yes, we will add, because we are having a minus 20. When we add plus 20, the both get cancelled. So we will have 10y is equal to 50. So 10y is equal to 50. So here we are having multiplication, so we have to divide it by 10. So again get cancelled. Y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7, in which the solution that y is equal to 7, if you substitute the value of y here as a 7, it will be an balanced equation. Means that when you add or subtract the same number on the both the side of an equation, that is in the LHS and RHS, the value remain the same. So now we will go for some exercise sums. We will see one by one what is an solution for an given examples. Here give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Here first we have to separate the variable. Now you know, very familiar term you are using, variable. Here we are having x, y, h, m, l, any variable we can use, and first we have to do it for finding out the, so x minus 1 is equal to 0. So first what we have to do, we have to separate. I will explain one, then we will try to solve some more examples related to this. Here when it is given as minus 1, you know now very well, because we had discussed many different examples. So you have to add 1 on both the side. So x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. Here it is given x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. This sign is of implies. Why we are writing this sign? Because we can't write is equal to, because these both are equal to each other, that is LHS and RHS are equal to each other, so we write a sign as an implies. So here you know that both get cancelled, plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, so x is equal to 1. In this way we have to find out some example. We will see some 2-3 example and you will try to solve the remaining example. So we will see one more example. Here x plus 6. We will see example here D1, that is x plus 6 is equal to 2. What should I do? Here I am having plus 6. I have to subtract 6. So what I will write? X plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 6. What I should write here? Subtract 6 on both the side. So what will be here? Plus x minus x, 6 get cancelled. So we will have x is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4. But don't forget, I have already told we have to recall the integer. What is the greater number sign? Is minus, so it will be minus 4. So x is equal to what? Minus 4. We had done separate variable and we are solving that equation. Suppose I want to check that minus 4 is the correct answer or not. I have to substitute the value here and I will show you how to check. So just we will check here, so you will understand. The x plus 6 is equal to 2 is our given equation. So x is equal to minus 4. I write minus 4 plus 6. In the place of x, just I had substituted the value of x. Minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 2. Now you know solving of this, when it's plus 4 or minus 4 plus 6 is 2, greater number is 2, so we don't write plus is equal to 2. So you can say it is LHS and RHS both are equal. What is LHS and RHS? Is nothing but left hand side expression is equal to right hand side expression. These are the steps we have to follow. Is just I had showed you how to check. You no need to do the checking for each and every sum, just you have to solve it. One more example we will go then. Here we are having y plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Why I am taking different example? You will not get any confusion while solving, which are very similar example. So y plus 4 is equal to minus 4. So what is y plus 4 is equal to minus 4? We have to first separate the variable. So what we have to do? Y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 4 minus 4 inside the bracket. What we are going to write? What we are doing? Subtract 4 on both the side. Just why we have taken? Because we want our variable separate. So we are adding or subtracting when to get a variable separate, and we will find the value of an variable. So here we are getting as of plus 4 minus 4 both get cancelled. So y is equal to minus 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 and add the number. So y is equal to minus 8. And my dear student, I am writing x. If you don't know, you can write the x in this way, but don't write any capital alphabet. This is not allowed in an algebraic form. So if you don't know, you have to learn and you have to write always in a cursive. If it is given as L, let L be the length. So this is nothing but L. Don't write L in this way, don't write L in this way. You only get confused. It is you are considering sometime as a 1, and so here we are writing as a small alphabets, or we can say we can write as an cursive alphabet. So please try to write, don't write any capital here. One more example we will see here as y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. So y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. So you have to write the sign of implies everywhere. So y minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 4. I had taken the different example because here in the both the sum we have done the subtraction. Here we will write in the bracket add. What you write? Add 4 on both the side. 4 on both the side. I have added this because you have to write that add on both the side. So what we have done? Y, this get cancelled. Y is equal to, what will be this? 7 minus 4 is 3, greater number is, so it will be y is equal to minus 3. Subtracting, adding, whatever it is we had done, and we had find out the value of, or we can say we had separated the variable, so we can find out the value and we can substitute and we can check the answer. So this is the first question. We had done a different example, adding 1 on the both the side, 4 on the both the side, subtracting. So we had done many examples, so your doubts and whatever is solved here. We will go for next question here. It's very easy. Give first step you will use to separate the variable and solve the equation. Only first step. What here already I had given you some tricks. When it is an multiplication, you have to go for division. When it is a division, you have to go for multiplication. Why we do so with the same number? Because we want an separate variable, so we have to use that. Here we are having all examples related to multiplications and division. In the question number 1, just we had added sometime, we had subtracted sometime. I will show you here how to do this. 3L is equal to 42. This is L, it's not a 31. It is 3L is equal to 42. You have to separate the variable L. So here we are having a multiplication. So same number you have to divide, which is the number 3. So divide 3 on both the side. We have to divide 3 here in the LHS as well as 3 by RHS. So 3L upon 3 is, upon is nothing but division. 3L upon 3 is equal to 42 upon 3. Here 3 get cancelled, L is left. You can see, you know the table, 14 3s are 42. So it is 14, so L is equal to 14. Every time you have to write this, that dividing both with by or 3 or by any other number, or if you multiply, you have to compulsorily give in a bracket to your right hand side of your page. One more example we will see. B upon 2 is equal to 6. Here we are having already in the denominator is nothing but here division. So what we have to do is a multiplication. So what we will do? We will multiply here, that I will solve here only. So 2 multiplied by B upon 2 is equal to 6 multiplied by 2. Why had here already I am having division, so I will go for multiplication. So I had multiplied 2 on both the side to get the variable separately. So I have to write here multiplying 2 on both the side. So what I done? 2 to get cancelled. What is the left? Is my variable. Here you know very well, 6 2s are 12. So what we had done in the addition, subtraction, same we are doing here in the multiplications and division. So one more example. 20t is equal to minus 10. Is very similar to that of an first example. 20t is equal to minus 10. here we are having multiplication, so we have to divide. We have to divide 20 on both sides. So what we'll do? We'll write 20t upon 20 is equal to minus 10 upon 20. We don't know what will be the next step, but we know the steps how to solve step by step when we are having a multiplication or we are having in the division form. Here 20 get cancelled. We got a variable t. Here you know very well this division, you can get 0 get cancelled, t is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Please take the care of a sign. If it is a minus, everywhere you have to put a minus sign, or we can say as a negative. I think so everyone have understood how to solve. If you are having one more doubt, I am having some here fractions with having a numerator as well as denominator. Just we will see one example and then we will go for next examples. Already we had explained when we were having a detailed introduction of an chapter. So we will go for one more example as a G. Here we are having a 5 in a denominator. What to do? We will multiply 5, then we will get 5 here. So this will get cancelled. We will have a separately a variable. So I will consider this question and I will write here only multiply 5 on both sides. When a multiplied by 5 upon 5 is equal to 7 upon 15 multiplied by 5. Now this both 5 get cancelled, so it is a is equal to, now just to recall fractions, just if it is possible we have to reduce it. We can reduce 5 ones are 5 threes are, so what we are getting is 7 upon 3. A is equal to 7 upon 3. If you are feeling that I have the wrong answer, so we can check by substituting the value of A is and the 7 upon 3, and we can verify our answer what we got the value of a variable is correct or not. So we have solved a maximum example here. So I think so everyone understood of addition, subtraction, and here we had solved about multiplication and division. So we will go for next question, that is nothing but give a first and the step you will use to separate variable and solve the equation. We have to solve the equation. First we have to separate the variable and then we have to solve it by step. We will see one more 2 examples, then we will solve another rest of example. Here we are having an example as a 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. What will be the first step? We will do as an LHS first, that is left hand side. 3n minus 2 we will add to get it variable and number separately. In the previous sum we were having only variable. So we have to find out by adding 2 on the both the side. We will add 2, so we will get 3n separate. 3n is equal to 46 plus 2 is 48. So we are getting as 3n is equal to 40. What is our next step? Step number 2. Another method, or we can say that 3n, here we are having a multiplication, so you can divide. So 3n divided by 3 because we want n variables separate. So these 3 get cancelled, so n will be here. So what will be? 16 3s are 48, n is equal to 16. What we had done? We had adding a 2 on the both the side and subtracting 2 on the both the. You might be thinking that value of n when you are solving with a two different method or the two different steps will be the different. No, my dear student, both the answers are same. I will show you. We are having here as a 3n is equal to 14. When you have, I will write here, that is 3n is equal to 48. Here we are having a multiplication. So divide it. We can write divide 3 on both the side. So what we are doing, dividing to 3n upon 3 is equal to 48 upon 3. We are dividing here, so it will be 3 get cancelled, n is equal to 3 1s are and 3 16s are 48. So here we will get 16 3s are 48, n is equal to 16. This n is equal to 16 and this n is equal to 16, both are same. So here we can go for different steps, but the answer will remain the same. So in this way you can take any one of the method and you can try to solve it. The answer will be same. If you want to find out value of n, you can find out by adding and or by dividing on the both the side. In this way, so we had learned today how to substitute the value of a variable by checking the what answer we got, and we had solved the different types of examples with variables which are having different variables as well as some different type of equations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplications and division. Hope so, my dear student, you understood, because we had solved many examples here. And please try to solve some examples from the textbook, so it will be more clear, because you have to practice this type of example. Thank you very much.